Get ready for a new, exciting wave. Get ready to sail beyond the horizon. Get ready for a sea change in opportunity. Get ready for the first of its kind commercial maritime cluster of India. Gujarat Maritime Cluster. What's a maritime cluster? In simple words, maritime clusters, like any other cluster, are geographic concentrations of interconnected companies and service providers. These companies not only compete but also cooperate with each other. It allows such clusters to leverage the power of Greek philosopher Aristotle's dictum, "The whole is greater than the sum of its parts." So, a cluster is an entity whose collective value is greater than the total value generated by individual units. It is akin to a mechanical clock, where individual mechanisms work only in tandem with all the other components to yield something of infinite value: time. Such clusters usually arise out of deliberations and collaborations between the government, the industry, and research institutions. Because they make it easier to share know-how, knowledge, and best practices, the clusters tend to be breeding grounds of innovation too. Because of their value multiplier effects, established maritime clusters across the globe have become engines of growth. Cases in point are leading maritime centers like Singapore, Dubai, London, Hong Kong, and Denmark, among others. Even landlocked Switzerland and Luxembourg have broken through into the top league of such clusters. Gujarat Maritime Cluster was first envisioned by Shri Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat.
साथियों, आज गुजरात में समुद्री कारोबार से उससे जुड़े इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को और कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग पर तेजी से काम चल रहा है। जैसे गुजरात मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर, गिफ्ट सिटी में बनने वाला गुजरात मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर बंदरगाहों से लेकर सी बेस्ड लॉजिस्टिक को एड्रेस करने वाला एक समर्पित तंत्र होगा। ये क्लस्टर एक प्रकार से सरकार, उद्योग और शिक्षण संस्थानों के बीच के सहयोग को बल देगा। इससे इस सेक्टर में वैल्यू एडिशन में भी बहुत बड़ी मदद मिलेगी।
Carrying forward his legacy is the current Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Vijayabhai Rupani.
मुझे ये घोषणा करते हुए बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि गुजरात मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी की दूरदर्शिता उसका परिणाम है। जब श्री नरेंद्र भाई गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री थे तब उन्होंने इसकी परिकल्पना की थी। वह दिन अब दूर नहीं है जब गुजरात मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर को दुनिया में अग्रिम मैरीटाइम क्लस्टर में से एक माना जाएगा। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि ये गुजरात में आने वाले वाणिज्यिक समुद्री सेवाओं को लेकर सबसे बड़ा केंद्र बनेगा और साथ ही ये क्लस्टर भारत के सभी समुद्री हितधारकों के लिए भी बड़े अवसर प्रदान करेगा।
The idea of Gujarat Maritime Cluster was born out of a critical need, the need for a robust ecosystem to drive the shipping sector in India, integrate the soft as well as the hard infrastructure under one umbrella, and turn the country into a global maritime player. Although India currently handles close to 10% of the global seaborne cargo, it is yet to achieve recognition as a true blue maritime nation. This is because the maritime stakeholders are distributed across the country and operate in isolated pockets. There is a need to bring them into close proximity with each other and to ensure development of a full-fledged maritime ecosystem. Gujarat is a front-runner maritime state in India. It had adopted the cluster-based approach to developing the shipbuilding sector more than a decade back. It is also one of the country's most heavily industrialized states. The state thus provides the ideal environment for Gujarat Maritime Cluster to take root. Gujarat Maritime Cluster is an idea whose time has truly arrived. It targets a broad spectrum of stakeholders across both core and non-core sectors. Adding order to all this is the presence of government regulatory agencies at the cluster to facilitate ease of doing business. Expected benefits for cluster members include better collaboration and networking opportunities, ease in availability of professional services from the various value chain actors, bargaining power, ease in access to sectoral government regulatory agencies, focus on training and skill development, planned taxation and policy reforms in cluster, amongst others. India's first operational smart city at the GIFT City in Gandhinagar will play home to Gujarat Maritime Cluster. Taxation and other benefits abound for stakeholders located out of the SEZ and IFSC zones. The cluster would also yield numerous benefits for stakeholders in the domestic tariff area. In the vicinity of the maritime cluster will be the Gujarat Maritime University, which will turn out industry-ready manpower for the benefit of members. Gujarat Maritime University will also facilitate fruitful industry academia R&D collaborations possible. To cut down on friction between members, a dispute resolution center is being planned at the cluster. To begin with, there is also the option of virtual membership. With a large industrial base, huge cargo flows, business-friendly people and proactive governance, Gujarat presents a vibrant environment like no other. The advent of Gujarat Maritime Cluster will surely propel the Indian maritime sector into the high seas of growth. Government of Gujarat welcomes the captains of the industry, maritime players, research and academic institutions, industry bodies, and allied organizations to join hands with us. Join Gujarat Maritime Cluster. Get ready to sail into a brighter future.